Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Ilham and you are watching Ambar Ilham channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create the speedometer chart more beautiful. In the previous video you have watched the how to create the speedometer chart, but that's the 180 degrees speedometer chart. Now I want to create the 225 degrees speedometer chart or for speedometer chart. We have the part here. This is a quarter. This is a third, fourth speedometer chart. So how to make it? Let me start. We have the total value here 200 and the maximum value I want to show is 100, and the value, this is the value we're gonna show. So we can probably maybe we create the 75, and then this is the base of the chart. We have the area of chart because the percent of chart is 75%, so the area of chart is 75% multiplied by the total value, so it's about 150, and the blank area is the total value minus area of chart. And the pointer, we want to create a pointer. The value of pointer is the percentage. So we were gonna make the comparison when the value divided by the maximum value and then multiplied by the area of chart here 150. And here we go. This is the value of pointer, and the size of pointer we're gonna make it 1. And the blank area, we're gonna make the blank area is the total value here minus the value of pointer minus 1, minus size of pointer here. So, and this is the scale. Scale, we have the 10 scale here. If you see the scale here, this is the total is 200, and this is the total until this one is 100. So each of this is 10, 20, 30, 40, and until 100. So in the middle of this is of course 5, 15, 25, and until 95. So we're gonna make it the total scale is 150 divided by 10, because we have the 10 here, 10 scale. So we lock this one and we copy until this one, and the blank area is the total value here minus the total scale here. And this, because we're gonna make it 5 until 95, so we just add the number here 5, 50, 35, 35, 45 until 95. Then the first we create the base of chart. We're gonna make it the chart with the we insert chart, and we're gonna use the Doughnut chart. We delete the chart title. We also delete the legend, and this is start from 225 degrees as I said, because this is the 225 degrees chart. Format data series, and this one, sorry, angle of first slice start from 225, and and for this we're gonna make 85% this one, and the size of the chart we're gonna make around format, and then choose his height 2.5 inches, and for the width is 2.5 inches, and we make no background here. Just select the right click and then fill, choose no fill here, and no line, no outline here. Once more, outline, we choose no outline, and then we make it no line too. Click twice, 1, 2, and then fill, no fill, outline, no outline. This is the base of the chart. So we're gonna make the colorful. The most left is red, in the middle here is yellow, and in the right here is green, because this is about the productivity. If the productivity is 0, it's red, this is alert. If the productivity is in the middle, is yellow, 50-50, and if the productivity is good or nice, is green, is about 100% productivity. So we're gonna create that by choose the here, and then click twice here, and then this is the fill, and choose the gradient fill here, and the preset gradients we choose the middle here, medium gradient, and the type is linear, and the direction is here from linear right click, linear right, and we add the gradient stops until 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then in the left here is as a yellow, and in here is, sorry, this is not yellow, this is red, and in here is yellow, here is yellow too, and on the right here is green. Use the green color here, and this is the base of the chart. After this, we're gonna make the pointer, and also we add the chart for the value of pointer, size of pointer, and blank area by choosing this, and then select data, and then add data here, and the series name is the pointer, and series value is, this is the series value, and then press OK, press OK, and then we change the type of the chart, the type of the chart, change series type, and the pointer here is changed to pie chart, and then we can start from 225 degrees from data series, angle of first slice 225 degrees, this one, and then select this twice, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, okay, right click, and then fill with black and outline with black too. After this, select this twice, and then twice, and then fill with no fill, and also no outline, and also here select twice, fill, no fill, and it has no outline too, no outline. Okay, then we're gonna make the number here, the chart. Just right click and add data label. Here's the label, and we change the reference of the label by choose this and then equals to, you can create the reference of the chart equals to B4 here and then press OK. This is the value is 75. So I'm gonna make the here the inside the chart 5, 15, and then we're gonna make that. So we create the chart once more, insert, and then we select this first and insert, and then choose the chart. We choose the Doughnut chart here and make it same with the height 2.5 inches and the width is 2.5 inches too, and delete the legend here and also delete the chart title here, and it starts from 235 degrees. Format data series and angle of slides change to 225 degrees, and then we make it no background, fill, no fill, outline as not outlined, and click it twice, 1, 2, and fill with no fill, outline with no outline. And then after this we make it, we add the data label here, click once more, okay, and add data labels, and here's data label 15, 15, 15 until 50. After this we select the data label, this is the label chart, we label options here, and then we choose the label content value from cells. We select the cell from C15 until C25 and then press OK. And after this we delete the value here, and this is the chart we have. And then we can delete the, we can make it no fill by choose here fill with no fill and border with I want to make it solid line with black color, and click twice here, and this is outline with no outline, only for the 25% part here. And then we can move the chart into here and then make it the donut size 85% too, and this is the chart we have created. We join the chart and we check the chart, fill with no fill, this one fill with no fill. Okay, and then make it same again. Okay, then we try to change the number here to 80. It will show 80, 85, it will show 85 here. So we almost done. Then we create the whole circle here by select the insert the shapes, and we use the shape here like this one. We're gonna see the size of the shape. We make it same 2.70 height and 2.70 inches width. And then we make the fill with no fill, and we create the line with the solid line. I want to make it dark blue here, and the size is 7 pt here, 7 pt, 7, and then just move the circle into precision here. Okay, because the speedometer chart, this is artwork, so it will depend on how creative you are about the creativity, about the how the creativity you create this speedometer chart. Then we can add the label here 50% and the productivity here by choose the shapes once more. We create by this rounded rectangle, and here you're gonna create, and then this is the shape we want to create, and then just add the text and press equals to here, and you will see the reference here referred to before here, and you can just change the size of the font here, 40, not 42 large, sorry, Ctrl Z, make it 25 maybe, or 20, and make it in the middle, and this is in the middle too. As you see here, the calibre and 16, and I'm gonna make the word productivity here, so I just need to type the productivity, not the reference. Just delete the reference round rectangle, and then type manually productivity, and then enlarge the shape, make it smaller. If you feel the font is too large, you can change the font size. Probably 17. If 17 is too large, 15 maybe. Okay, 15 is okay. Bold is not okay. 14 probably. Okay, 14 is good. And you can also change the, as you can see here, this is the in percentage, so you can change everything into percentage by select this one and then press and type 200%, and then this is 100%, and the value is you decide to 85%. The area of chart is of course 150%, and the blank area is 50%, or just use the formula here, and then the value of pointer is the formula, and the size of pointer is 1%. This is the chart we create on the percentage size. So we just need to ignore the here, because we already have the scale here 5, 15, 25 and so on until 95. If you want to make it in percentage, you can also create in percentage by pressing 5%, and this one is 15%, 25%, 35%, and 45%, 55%, 65%, 75%, 85%, and 95%. Here we have the chart and the yes, if you want to make it bold, just bold it, and you'll see this font is bold. Make it bold. Okay. If you want to make the background here with the, for example, light blue background, you just create the background here by choose the fill with the light blue, like this one or this one. I prefer this one, and make it the bring to back like this. Okay, we have created the first shape of chart, and as you can see here, if I change to 50%, it will move to here, and if we change to 65%, it will move to here. So the scale of the chart is correct. And then if you feel you can also change the color font here. If you prefer to white color, you can change to white color. Not this one, I mean the color of the font here. I prefer black. Sorry, I prefer black. I prefer this one. Okay, you can also make it smaller. 8 size, or probably 7. So size, I think it's better. Okay, we're gonna make the second chart of the speedometer chart here. The first step is we create the base of chart, insert, and choose the chart here, Doughnut chart, delete the chart title, delete the legend, make it no outlined, and also no fill. Once more, fill with no fill, and move it to here. You can change the chart start from 225 degrees, format, right click here, and then format data series, and angle of slice change to 225 degrees, and the donut hole size is 85%, and then make it no color here, fill with no fill, outline with no outline. Move it to here and change the size of the shape. Change the height is 2.5 inches and the width is 2.5 inches too. After this, you can create the scale of the chart by select by insert and then choose this one. You can directly choose this one too, and then insert. I prefer this one. Insert, and then Doughnut chart, delete the chart title, delete the legend, and fill with no fill. Once more, fill with no fill, and change it to no outline here, and start slice of the chart from 225 degrees. Format data series and angle of the slice is changed to 225 degrees. And after this, you can create the move to here, and then make it no color, no fill, and then change it to the size of the chart to 2.5 inches and height and 2.5 inches width. 2.5 inches width. And the explosion, change the explosion to the we change the donut hole size. Right click here, not there, here, and then format cut area, and then here size 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches. I want to change the donut hole size, this one, format data series, and then donut hole size change to 85%, and move it to here. After this, click twice, border with no line, sorry, click here and fill with no fill, outline with black outline, and then click twice here, sorry, click twice here, and then outline change to no outline. After this, you can change the color here, fill with no fill, and we already have the chart, and we change the color of the chart by choose the, we move it first and make the gradient here, click twice, and then choose the gradient fill, and here we go, the gradient we already created before, and we just select this one and move it to here. We can add the label, data label here, and we select the data label by right click, and then choose the format data labels, choose value from cells, and you choose the C15 until C25, and just press OK. And then you can easily delete the value here, just let it as the chart. And then if you think the chart is too small, you can adjust the chart size by enlarge the chart size, like this one you can drag it down, drag it to the right, Okay. Okay. After this, you can create the round rectangle here by choose the insert and shape and choose round rectangle. You can change the color into green like this one and just add the reference is here. And you can adjust the size to 16 probably. You can change the font type to Warohmatullahi and make it in the middle like this one. It's more beautiful. Try it, make 100% and let me see better. Okay, we need to enlarge this so we will see the 100% here. After this, we can create the second round rectangle. Just copy and then paste here and then change into green like this. You can also change the grid, the effect to the round rectangle by choose the format and then shape effect, choose the 3D rotation or the bevel here, bevel. You can choose this one. You can also choose the bevel here, shapes, outline, bevel, like this one. Okay. Then we're gonna make the shape here. Insert. And then we make a drawing. Insert the shape. Insert the shapes with this one, small. And black, shape fill is black. And then make it shape effect. Use the 3D rotation. I'm gonna create this perspective, this, and then small like this one. Okay, this is the shadow we have created. After this, you can create the rectangle once more. Insert, sorry, not rectangle, the circle, the small circle. Small circle. I prefer the shape fill is black. And then change the size of the circle. Make a precision 0.1 inches height and 0.1 inches width. Make the outline is black too. This is the outline is black too. And then you can enlarge the shape 0.15 multiplied by 0.15. I'm gonna put here. After this, you can create the arrow shapes, the basic arrows here. You can choose this one. And then you can withdraw the until this one and change the shape fill into black, and the outline fill is black too. After this, you can copy this one and then paste it and make it 180 degrees like this one, and then make the balance in here. And then after this, you can join the shape by press this one, choose the rectangle first, choose the left, and then choose the right here, and then make it group like this one, grouping. And you can enlarge this one. You can also enlarge this one too here, and it's select this. It should be in one side, so I want to delete this one. I need this in the middle like this. Make it like okay, and then here to here, then copy this one and paste, and then make it 180 degrees here, and then make it in here, and then you can join the here, this one, ungroup first, and then you can regroup the, move it to the left here, move it to the right here, move it the rectangle, the round circle here. This is the middle, and then you can select this one. You can add to here and not add, just grouping once more, grouping, and then try to round the rectangle like this one. Make it 0%. Then if you have select this into 0% here, you can select this one and make it fill with no fill and outline with no outline. We only need this circle and this arrow. Then you can see the position here. Just select the the shape, and then you choose the format shape. You can see the size here. Rotation is 137 degrees. So I want to make it into 0 degrees. How to make it? Just select this one, put into 0 here, and then you can ungroup the pointer, and then you can regroup again, ungroup and regroup again, and you will see the pointer here, the shape, it start from 0 degree rotation. After you create this is into 0 degrees, you can add the macro formula. So when we create this 100%, it will move into 100%. So the first we're gonna make it 0% as we start, and insert macro by choose the developer and then Visual Basic here. This is the sheet 2. The sheet 1 I have created the macro formula and select the sheet 2 twice and input the macro formula here. Change the worksheet and selection change. The macro formula is active sheet dot shapes dot range open bracket y open bracket, and this one, and group number. You can see the group number by look at this one. This is group 17, so I'm gonna make the group 17 here. Group 17 and close bracket, and then close bracket once again, dot select, enter, and choose type the formula selection dot shape, range, let me see the formula here, shape range, okay, shape range dot rotation, then equals to range open bracket. You can see the value here is in B4, so we can just press B4 here and then close bracket, and then dot value multiplied by 270, and then enter, and then range B4, and then close bracket dot select, shift this one and then close, and then we can, oh my god, the graphic is moved into mess. It's rather difficult, so I'm gonna say this is depend on the creativity. So I want to delete this one, I just make it easy. I need to copy the grouping here and paste in here, move it into here, and then copy the I want to add the and I want to insert the shapes. This one, for shadow, and shape fill is with black, shape outline is black, and make it start from 0 here, and you can see the group is group 18. We right click here, format shape, and rotation is 0 degrees, and then choose the developer once more. Because this is group 18, you just change the group 17 into group 18, and then save the and just change the value size into probably 50%. As you can see, it moved to 50%. If you want to add the data label here, you just need to add the data label. This is 50%. Second, you have to choose the value pointer, size of pointer, and blank area. Insert. Insert the chart and choose the pie chart and delete the chart title. And select data. The data is from data range is from pointer here 0.75, and just press OK. Delete the legend. We need the pointer here. Click twice. First slash is 225 degrees. And then choose no background here. Fill with no fill. Everything here is no fill. No fill. No fill too. And then outline with no outline. And then the add data label here. And change the data label reference by choose this one, and then reference is equals to B4. and make it no fill, make it no outline, and also the chart itself has no outline too. So you can see the invisible chart here, invisible pointer. Change the size of the chart to 2.5 inches and 3.5 inches. 2.5 inches. And move it to here. And try to another number. Change the size to 12, for example, and try another number, 25%. You can see 25% here, 0% is here. If you think this is too small, you can enlarge the size or adjust the size of the chart by choose this one. Okay, try 100% here, 50% here, 75% here. So we almost done. The last we create the shape circle here and make it precision. Height is 3 inches and the width is also 3 inches, and the fill with no fill, and the outline with no outline. No, sorry, the outline is with the weight is 6, maybe more, 7. Just select the format shape and choose the line, and width is 7 pt. Here we go, and change the color with green, dark green, and the fill is solid fill with light green. I prefer this one, and bring it to back, close, bring to back, if this chart is too small, you can enlarge the size of the circle to format 3.4 inches and 3.2 large, 3.2 inches and 3.2 inches. I think it's better. Make it precision. I think it's better. Okay, make it 65%. This is 65%. I think that's all for today. I'm sorry because this is rather difficult to create the chart by using the picture, the shape. We need the creativity to make this chart. Thank you for watching. See you again in our next video. If you have any question, regarding to Excel, Word, or Google Sheet, please write down on the comment below. God willing, I will answer it on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.